Yeah, I'm gonna have three Doritos Locos Tacos. Like just a regular. Yes. Three Doritos Locos Tacos with a lot of fire sauce, please. No, I don't want the combo. Yes, that's it. I do. Alright, that is how you do it. That's